Hello all. We at Eduonics welcome you to our brand new authoritative program on data science and engineering. This data science e-degree brings together a team of globally renowned instructors, precisely crafted curriculum, real-world industrial projects, and practical pedagogy to create a unique learning experience for our students. This program covers multiple tools and technologies like Python, Excel, R, Tableau, HBase, MySQL, Kafka, and much more under one intelligently designed learning structure. Upon completing this e-degree, you will not only master data science concepts, but will be well accustomed to the industry ecosystem and all its best practices. With a proper dose of theoretical concepts, along with the effectively designed practical labs and projects, you will find this program a complete resource to master data science skills. Just like all our programs, Eduonics strives to provide the world's best content at a value to all our global students, so that the skills and jobs of tomorrow are available for everyone. Support our cause and join together to build this global program in data science for everyone.